For 140 years, our family company has been synonymous with competence and success in the dental industry. Dentaurum offers the largest product range in dentistry worldwide with more than 8,500 products. Its production site in Germany, with its highly qualified personnel, guarantees first-class quality. Continuous research and development will continue to pave the way for new and innovative products.
The oldest independent dental company in the world was founded in 1886 by the Swiss dental technician Arnold Biber, with a dental laboratory in Pforzheim in Germany. After the death of Arnold Biber in 1908, Dr. Fritz Winkelstreuter purchased the company. Following World War II, Dentaurum expanded so rapidly that the production facility in Pforzheim soon became too small. In 1968, production, research, and administration moved to a new building in Isbringen in Germany. The orthodontic range provides innovative premium quality orthodontic products. The product diversity for fixed and removable prosthetics impresses users and meets the highest demands of the patient. Leading well-known product names include the classic and million-fold proven Discovery bracket series, such as the Discovery Pearl All-Ceramic Bracket. The Thomas system concept for temporary skeletal anchorage in orthodontic treatment is yet another highlight. The Orthocryl acrylic system. Dentaurum has also achieved a successful market position in implantology in recent years with innovative product systems. Dentaurum developed the Teologic implant system based on intensive research. In 1935, Dentaurum developed Remanite, a non-precious dental alloy which gained an international reputation under the name of Rimanium. The premium product Rimanium Star, for example, is the first dental alloy in the world that can be used for all application techniques. The prosthetic range will be completed by the new Motion ceramic system, which was developed in-house. The Center for Dental Communication is the Dentaurum Center for Courses and Events in Isbringen, Germany, and offers over 100 courses and events annually, also nationwide, for experts and specialist personnel from the dental sector. A high practical relevance and small participant groups guarantee efficient learning and effective working. Innovative, pioneering products are continually created in our research and development department as a result of our vision and many years of expertise. Market analyses, reliable cooperation, and an intensive exchange of experiences with our customers and experts from universities and clinics create future-oriented products on a scientific basis. Expert medical product advisors and regional application technicians are available worldwide to provide advice personally. Questions about Dentaurum products or their application are answered by qualified advisors on the customer support hotline. The Dentaurum Logistics Center always has a selection of over 10,000 products ready for distribution. As a direct supplier, we can practically guarantee a 100% supply capability. Dentaurum products and services are available in over 130 countries around the world and are distributed via representatives and 8 subsidiaries.
Our first-class service and close contact with our customers have always been part of our company philosophy. Our success is founded on the quality of our products and the sustainable management of resources. For we endeavor to create an economically strong business in an intact environment as a legacy to our children and to future generations.